Hello students of class 10. In the previous chapter we discussed exercise 7.1. Now in this video we will discuss the section formula. Okay, so this one you see 2 points are there, as we have already learned. 2 points are there, A and B, whose coordinates are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, and this P point, okay, this P point which lies on AB, okay, this P point which lies on AB divides AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2. That is, I can say PA by PB is equals to m1 by m2. Okay, now if I want to find the coordinate of this point P, that is x and y value I have to find, then my formula is this one. X coordinate, it will be m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2, and y coordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, and this is known as the section formula. So the coordinate of the point P, which divides the line segment joining the points this and this internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, are x coordinate will be this one and y coordinate will be this one. So in here you see, on a plane 2 points are there, A and B, whose coordinates are given x1 y1 x2 y2. Join these 2 points. Now if there is another point on this line, let's say P, okay, and this P divides this line AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, okay, divides this line AB internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, then to find the x coordinate my formula will be this one, and to find the y coordinate my formula will be this one. Understand that much only in here, again nothing there. This one proof I will show you it in class. I am going to exercise 7.2. so in here you see notes are already I have given, okay, notes already I have given. So in here you see, find the coordinates of the point which divides the joint of this and this in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, find the coordinates of the point which divides the joint this and this in the ratio 2 is to 3. I have to find the coordinate of the point, okay, which divides, means these two coordinate given, these two, if I join it I will get a line, and this line is divided in the ratio 2 is to 3, and divided by whom? It is divided by this point. That point coordinate I have to find. Okay, so it is very easy there. I will apply section formula here. Okay, so this one you see, first of all I will take, let the point be P and whose coordinate is x comma y, and by section formula x will be is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y will be is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Understand, m1 and m2 are the ratio in which the point divides this line. Understand, and that ratio is m1 is to m2, it is equals to 2 is to 3. Okay, so m1 value will be 2 and m2 value will be 3. Understand, so therefore x is equals to m1 value is 2, x2, okay, x2 I will consider it 4, okay, so x2 plus m2 is 3 into x1, it is minus 1 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. This one if I solve it I will get x value 1, and y is equals to m1 y2, okay, m1 is 2 and y2 it will be minus 3, okay, plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 7 by 2 plus 3. So is equals to this one. If I solve it, y value 3 I will get. So therefore the coordinate of the point is 1, 3. Understand? Very easy there. Only this formula you will have to remember. Section formula. Okay, if a point divides a line in a ratio, okay, then the coordinate of the point, I will get the coordinate of the point by the help of this section formula. You will have to remember this. Next, you see question number 2 saying that find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining this and this. Okay, coordinate of the points of the trisection. Okay, so in here I will take, you see this one, points of trisection of the line segment joining this and this. Okay, coordinate of this point, name I have taken as A and this point I have taken as B. Okay, let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. That is, in here AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB there. Understand? Okay, now you see P, okay, you see AP is equals to PQ is equals to QP. Understand? Okay, so in here you see P, if I take this point P divides this whole line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Okay, because in here you see AP is equal to PQ is equal to QP. Yes. Okay. So therefore, you see in here, therefore, this point P, okay, that means in here you see this whole line is divided by these 2 points in the ratio what? 1:1:1. Okay, this whole line is divided in the ratio, this whole line, it is what? Divided into 1, 2, 3. It is divided into 3 parts and all the 3 parts are equal. Yes or no? All the 3 parts are equal. So this line, okay, is being divided in the ratio 1:1:1. Okay, so therefore this point P, okay, this point P divides this whole line in the ratio 1:2. Yes, this point divides this whole line, because this one AP plus PB, I will get AB. Yes or no? So therefore this point P divide this whole line in the ratio 1:2. This is 1 plus 1, 2 become. Okay, 1:2. And this Q point divides this whole line in the ratio 2:1. Understand? So therefore you see P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore the coordinate of the point P, by applying section formula, coordinate of the point P, okay, coordinate of the point P, this will be is equals to, you see, M1 is 1 here and M2 is 2 here. Okay, for the first case, M1 is 1 here and M2 is 2 here. Understand? So 1 into, what is the formula? Always remember the formula. Okay, M1x2 plus M2x1. This one I can consider it as x2y2 and this one x1y1. So therefore, this one it will be 1, okay, M1x2, that is 1 into minus 2, plus M2x1, that is 2 into 4, by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 2. Okay, comma, and then next one again for the y coordinate, M1 y2, that is 1 into minus 3, plus M2 y1, that is 2 into minus 1, by M1 plus M2. Okay, I am saying for the x coordinate, understand this P point coordinate I am finding, so there will be one x coordinate and y coordinate, yes or no? Okay, so therefore for x coordinate it will be 1 into x2 plus this one I am telling again, x coordinate, the formula is m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1. So therefore it will be 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2, because m1 plus m2. Okay, next again for the y coordinate, it will be m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1, that is 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 by 1 plus 2. That one I have done. So this is the coordinate of point P. Understand, this is the coordinate of point P. Now next, coordinate of point Q. Now I will write Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Finished. Therefore the coordinate of point Q by applying Heron's formula for the x coordinate, this will be again m1 into x2, yes or no, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. So therefore 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. And next for the y coordinate, it will be m1 into y2 plus m1 into y1 by m1 plus m2. So therefore 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That one I have done here. This one coordinate I got. So therefore the coordinate of point P is this one and the coordinate of point Q is this one. Understand? That much only, again in here nothing else. Finished. Next you see question number 3. Question number 3, it is saying to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure 7.12. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Padma runs 1/5 the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So first of all, in here I will find distance run by Niharika. Niharika, how much distance she ran? She ran 1/4 of 1/4 of 100 meter it will be. Okay, she ran 1/4 of 100 meter, which is equals to 25 meter. Understand? Because in here 100 flower pots are placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Understand? 100 flower pots are placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Finished? So therefore, distance ran by Niharika, it will be 1/4 of 100, 25 meter, and distance ran by Padma, it will be 1/5 of 100, which is 20 meter. Finished? So this will be our Niharika and this will be our Padma. Okay, 25 meters she has gone and this one she has gone 20 meter. Now coordinate of Niharika, it will be 2,25. Yes, 2,25. And coordinate of Padma will be 8,20. These two coordinate I got. Finished? Now distance between the two flags. Okay, what is the distance between both the flags? Halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So distance between both the flags. Okay, in here I will apply distance formula. Root over x2 minus x1, that is 8 minus 2 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 20 minus 25 the whole square, ultimately root over 61 meter. This is the distance between the two flags. Next you see question number 4 here. Question number 4 say find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points this and this is divided by -1, 6. Okay, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points. Now these 2 points are given, these 2 points are joined, so I will get a line segment. Understand? Okay, and this line segment is divided by this point. Okay, these 2 coordinates are given. Understand? These are the coordinates of points, yes or no? So these 2 coordinates are given. Okay, now if these 2 points, if I join it, understand, I will get a line, yes or no? Now this line is divided by in a certain ratio by this point. I have to find the ratio. So in here I will take, let the ratio be m1 is to m2. Okay, so bisection formula, x is equals to, yes, x is equals to, this is my section formula, x value will be -1. Okay, m1 into an x2 and x1 value I will put it in here. This is x2, this is x2, this is x1. Okay, I will put it in here. This one, if I solve it, m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 7 I will get. Understand? Again, for y coordinate in here no need. Okay, any one coordinate you can do. Okay, this is means these 2 are points. These 2 points if you join to, you will get a line. Yes or no? Now this line is divided in a certain ratio by this point. So this is, understand, this point coordinate is given. Okay, the point that has divided this line, that point coordinate is given. That is x and y value are given. So x is equals to this formula, x value -1, m1, I have to find the ratio, m1 and m2 I have to find, yes or no? Yes, means m1 is to m2 I have to find. I have to find the ratio. So therefore in here x2 will be 6 and x1 will be -3. Okay, this one ultimately when I will solve it, m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 7 I will get. That much only. In here again nothing there. Next again you see question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining this and this is divided by the x-axis. Okay, now x-axis means x-axis coordinate I know. Yes or no? It is divided by the x-axis. That means any point on the x-axis, its coordinate will be what? X, 0. Yes or no? Any point on the x-axis, its coordinate will be x, 0. Understand? Now in here you see, I have to find the ratio. Okay, now A and B, this is a line segment. Okay, these 2 points are given. AB, if I join it, I will get a line segment. Yes, now this line segment is divided by the x-axis. That means what? Any point on the x-axis, its coordinate will be what? Its coordinate will be x, 0. Understand? So first of all in here I have taken, let the ratio be m1 is to m2. Yes, let the ratio be m1 is to m2, and let the point on the x-axis be x, 0. Finished. Now by section formula, x is equals to this one, y is equals to this one. Yes, so in here x will remain x only because I have taken this x coordinate as small letter x, and y coordinate it will be 0 because the point is on x-axis. So y coordinate will be 0. Now x, now you see this one I will consider it as x2, and this one x1, this is y2, and this one y1. So value all I will put, this is x is equals to this one I will get, I will take it equation 1, and y will be 0. This one if I solve it, ultimately I will get m2 is equals to m1. Okay, m2 is equals to m1, and this one I will take it as equation 2, and this one if I solve it means m2 is equals to m1 means what? m1 by m2 is equals to 1 is to 1. Understand? m1 by m2 is equals to 1 is to 1. So find the ratio saying m1 is to m2 I got. Yes, understand? In what ratio does x-axis divides this line segment? In what ratio? It divides this line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. Finished. Now also find the coordinate of the point of division. Now coordinate of the point, that means the point on the x-axis, that point coordinate I have to find now. Understand? That means x value I have to find. Very easy. Now this is, you see, x is equals to, this is I got already from equation 1, and from equation 2 what I got, m2 is equals to m1. So in here, instead of writing m2, I can write m1. That one only I have done here. From equation 1, this one m2, in place of m2 I have written m1. Okay, this one if I solve to, x is equals to minus 3 by 2 I got. So therefore the coordinates of the point on the x-axis is this and this. Okay. Understand? That much only. Again in here, nothing there. Next you see question number 6, saying that if this and this are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Now they are vertices of a parallelogram. So first of all, I will take that, let the vertices of the parallelogram be this coordinate, these coordinates are, these are coordinates of what? These are coordinates of points, yes or no? Now these points I will name them P, Q, R and S. I will draw a parallelogram. I will give P, Q, R, S and I will join the diagonals also. Finished? Now since they are the vertices of a parallelogram, so this parallelogram I will draw, I will give the vertices and I will draw the diagonals also. Finished? Now you see, since the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, okay, since the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore the point O divides PR and SQ in the ratio 1:1, and the midpoint of PR and SQ, that is O, will be same. Understand? Okay, you see, since it is a parallelogram, so diagonals bisect each other. Okay, that means in here OP is equal to OR and OS is equal to OQ. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so therefore this point O, okay, this point O divides PR and SQ in the ratio 1:1. This O divides PR in the ratio 1:1 and SQ in the ratio 1:1. Finished? And the midpoint of PR and SQ, that is O, will be same. Okay, now let the coordinate of point O be x comma y. Okay, let the coordinate of point O be x comma y. Now you see, O is the midpoint of PR. Yes or no? O is the midpoint of PR and O is the midpoint of SQ, because bisect each other. No, therefore O is the midpoint of PR and O is the midpoint of SQ. So therefore in here x coordinate, okay, the x coordinate of this O, understand? In order to find the x coordinate of this O, you can use section formula. Understand? And this one, remember, since the ratio are 1:1 and this is the midpoint of this line segment, this is the midpoint of this line segment. Understand? So x coordinate, this one, it will be this plus this by 2. Yes, x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, O is the midpoint. Yes or no? O is the midpoint. O is dividing this line PR in the ratio 1:1. O is the midpoint. So therefore the x coordinate of O will be x1 plus x2 by 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2. And similarly x coordinate for this line again I can take x coordinate this plus this, that is 3 plus 4 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. Understand? Midpoint of PR, it will be this one, and midpoint of SQ, that is both same only. Midpoint of PR means O and midpoint of SQ also O. So this coordinate will be this one. Now, okay, now I can say that since I am finding the coordinate of O, yes or no, I am finding the coordinate of O. So therefore this x coordinate and this x coordinate will be same, and this y coordinate and this y coordinate will be same. This one I will equate it. X value I got 6, y value I got 3. That much only. Again in here nothing there. Question number 7, you see. Find the coordinates of the point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is this and this. Okay, so solution here, you see, the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter, this is the circle, O is the center, okay, AB is the diameter. Okay, now you see, center coordinate is given 2 comma minus 3, center coordinate is given, B coordinate is given, yes, this is B coordinate, B point coordinate is given. I have to find the A point coordinate. Okay, so this is also very easy because you see O, now this AB line, AB is the diameter, yes or no? So O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter. That means what? OA is equal to OB. Yes, OA is equal to O is the midpoint of AB, yes or no? OA is equal to OB. That means what? This point O divides this line segment internally in the ratio 1:1. Very easy. So therefore in here 2 will be is equals to what? 2 will be is equals to this plus this by 2, and minus 3 will be is equals to this plus this by 2. Very easy there. Let the coordinate of point A be this one, x1, y1. Since O is the center of the circle, therefore O divides AB in the ratio 1:1. Bisection formula, this one I have written. Remember x is 2, okay? X is 2 and y is minus 3. This is x1, y1 and this will be x2, y2. Finished? So 2 is equals to, 2 will be is equals to this plus this, x1 plus 1 by 2, and minus 3 will be is equals to y1 plus 4 by 2. This one only. From here x1 take out and y1 take out. So x1 will be is equals to 3 and y1 will be is equals to minus 10. Therefore the coordinate of point A is 3 comma minus 10. This one only. Again nothing there. Okay. Next again question number 8 you see. Okay, this one always remember in section formula, if the point, okay, any line segment, let's say any line segment is divided by a point and that point happens to be the midpoint of that line segment. Okay, understand? Then to find the coordinates of that midpoint, this is very easy, x1 plus x2 by 2, and to find the y coordinate, y1 plus y2 by 2. Understand? X1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. That much only. Very easy. Question number 8. If A and B are this and this respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Okay, now in here what given? AB, this is a line segment. Okay, P point lies on this line segment and AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Understand? That means in here what I got? You see, this one 3 by 7 of AB. AB how I can write? I can write AP plus PB. AB I can write AP plus PB. Yes. So this one 7 if I send that side and 3 if I multiply, I will get this one. AP I will send that side, then I will get 4AB is equals to thrice PB. Yes. Now AP by PB, what I got? AP by PB is equals to 3 by 4. That means this point divides this line segment in the ratio 3:4. Got? Now what I have to find? I have to find the coordinates of P. Very easy. The coordinates of P will be what? Coordinates of P will be, by the help of section formula, coordinates of P will be, this one I will consider it as M1 and this is M2. That is 3 I will consider it as M1 and 4 M2. So 3 into 3 into 2, yes or no? M1 into x2 plus M1 into x1, yes, M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 by M1 plus M2. That is the section formula, yes or no? M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 by M1 plus M2. So in here M1 is 3 here, yes, 3. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. Finished. And to find the y coordinate, again 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 and by 3 plus 4. Okay, this one you see 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. X value, this one I got. Again y is equals to m1 plus y2 plus m2 plus y1 by m1 plus m2. Y is equals to 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4. This one I will solve it. Y is equals to this I got. So the coordinates of point P is this and this. Coordinates, not coordinate. Okay, coordinate of point P is this one. Finished. Again nothing there. Question number 9 you see. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment this and this into 4 equal parts. I have to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining this and this into 4 equal parts. So in here, let P divide AB in the ratio 1:3. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Okay, because this is 1, 2, 3. No. So 1:3. Q divides AB in the ratio Q, it will be 1:1 because you see, that means what? Q divides AB into this one 2:2 become, yes or no? This one also 1 plus 1 2 and this one also 1 plus 1 2, 2:2. That means 2:2 means what? 2:2 means 2 by 2, 2 card, then ultimately 1:1 only I will get. That is Q is the midpoint of AB. Understand? So therefore Q divides AB in the ratio 1:1. And again R divides in the ratio what? 1, 2, 3. And this is 1. So 3:1. Finished. So therefore coordinate of point P. Again P divides AB in the ratio this is M1, M2. So this is M1 and AP will be M1 and PB will be M2. This one section formula I will apply and this value I will get coordinate of point P, this one. And for coordinate of point Q, M1 and M2, they are both same only in here. So therefore directly I can say this plus this by 2 and Y coordinate will be this plus this by 2. Understand? And again for R coordinate in here M1 will be 3 and M2 will be 1. Put it in section formula and I will take out the answers. Understand? In here coordinate of point P I have taken out with the help of section formula. Same only in here, just I am giving 1 1. That means ultimately 1 into 2 what become? 2 only become. Now 1 into minus 2 only become. So I can write minus 2 plus 2 plus minus 2 by 1 plus 1. And again in here 8 plus 2 by 1 plus 1. Understand? So the last question is question number 10. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are this, this, this and this taken in order. So first of all I will draw this rhombus. Okay, I will name its vertices A, B, C, D and I will give this coordinates. Okay, let the vertices of the rhombus be A, whose coordinate is this, B, whose coordinate is this, C, whose coordinate is this, and D, whose coordinate is this one. I will draw the diagonals also. Finished. Now first of all I will find AC diagonal with the help of distance formula. Okay, distance formula. We know distance between 2 points. Okay, to find the distance between 2 points in a plane, the formula is what? Root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so first of all I will find AC. This is, you see, AC. Understand? value is 4 root 2. Then I will find the next diagonal BD by the help of again distance formula. I will get this one, 6 over root 2. Now what's saying? Find the area of the rhombus. I have to find the area of this rhombus. So area of the rhombus ABCD, it is equals to half into product of the diagonals. Yes, product of the diagonals, half into AC into BD. So diagonals AC and BD I have already taken out. AC value is this one and BD value is this one. I have already taken out. I will put the values in here and I will find out the answer, which is 24 square units. Understand? That much only. With this, our exercise 7.2 it is over. That is our this chapter, it is completely over. Okay. So next, you see, next when school will that is when